G'day and welcome back. With Christmas just around the corner, I thought today would be a great chance to start making some ornaments for students in my class and my family using my 3D printer and obviously TinkerCad as we have here. I'm going to show you how to make your very own custom ornament and maybe a Christmas tree as well that you could 3D print just in time for the holiday season. What I like to do is rather than using the basic shapes to start, I like to use SVGs, and what I've done is found on freesvg.org 3 SVGs that I want to use. So I've got a Christmas ball, I've got a Christmas tree, and I've got a unicorn because I know my niece loves unicorns. What I'm going to do is I'm going to import all 3 of these files. So I'll start with the last one, which is unicorn. Press import. I'll make it a bit smaller. To make it the right size, you simply hold down the shift key, so that'll keep the ratio correct. Make it a bit smaller. I'm going to import my next 2 as well. Just going to the downloads that I've just downloaded. This should be my Christmas ball. And we're going to, oh, there's actually my Christmas tree. Holding down shift key will make it the right size. And I'll also import the other one, which should be my Christmas ball. Awesome. So very quickly, you can see how fast you can bring in designs when you use SVGs. What we're going to do here is we're going to make a Christmas ball that is personalized to my niece, Violet. And we'll go from there. So I'm going to add some text to this Christmas ball because I know that she'll love seeing her name on her very own ball. Everyone likes a custom design product. Oh. Here. Drag this down. Bring it across. You can see it's going to sit just on top, which is awesome. Might make it a bit bigger. Holding down the shift key again to keep that same ratio. If I had some Violet 3D filament, I might also use that as well. I also know that she loves unicorns, so I'm going to make this extra personalized by adding this on top and just using the black cone button here to bring it up to the surface. And I think that is pretty cool. Obviously, I also need a hole at the top. So I'm going to bring in a cylinder. Using the shift key, hold it down like that so it keeps the same ratio. Put it right in the middle and select both in order to group them. Actually, I might select all and group all together. And if I just wanted to see the colors for now, I can click on this button here and hold on multicolor. So for now, I can actually have that design like that. If you have a Christmas tree that you want to print off as well, you might add names, or it just might be a certain gift that you could give to your STEM class. Then maybe you'd have a Christmas tree like this. You might also remember to add a little circle at the top or a ring. Bring it down to size again using the shift key. Put it right at the top. Connect it to the top. I put it a bit lower. And as long as it's lower than your actual Christmas tree, you'll still get that definition of the star at the top. So you can obviously make it higher through the middle. Using the center one. But as long as it's below that, and as long as it's thick enough, that should be fine. All these dimensions are in millimeters, so keeping that in mind. But very quickly, you can see how you can make a bespoke Christmas ornament for your class, your friends, your family, anyone who might like it. If you need any help or have a question, feel free to add a question below. But if not, good luck, make your own, and let's see how that goes.